What kind of tests have you guys done? And, like sledgehammer bashing, or ran a car into it, and you want to take out a shotgun and put a few blasts at it?
We haven't done the shotgun blast yet, but that might be next up. One product that's really popular, one of the materials that we offer for your rolling shutters is going to be our extruded aluminum with end retention. And this is very popular with business owners across the valley or people that are in high security environments. And these are solid extruded aluminum slats that have end retention bolts that sit into a notch that's machined into the guide rail, and it locks in place in there. So it really helps keeping, it from being pried, from being cut. So some of the tests we've ran, and you can see these videos on our YouTube, we've dropped bowling balls on them from a 12-foot ladder. We hit them with sledgehammers, kind of like a little contracting mini jackhammer. We done some...
we had a grinder
test.
Took a while with decibel checks to see, man, even if they have a full 15 minutes to try to get through that with a grinder, the decibels are so outrageous that nobody's going to be getting through that without the police being called.
And have 2 grinder wheels ready because it took us about 2.5 to get through. So, but that's a really great offering, and an even extra level of protection that we offer too with our spring assist is a key lock. So when it's in the all the way down position, you can actually turn a key and lock with a heavy duty tumbler, lock that shutter down. So it's very secure.